Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can open up a bank account online on Wells Fargo Bank. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So you open up your browser, you go to google.com and you will enter Wells Fargo Bank. And wellsfargo.com is the first site to be shown. You click that link and you'll be taken to the official webpage of Wells Fargo Bank. So here you have this option, what kind of bank account you want. Is it a personal bank account, is it a small business, or if it's a commercial account. So under personal, you have banking and credit cards, loan and credits. There are different types of accounts you can open. So here you'll go to accounts and on banking and credit cards. Under accounts and services, you have checking account, savings account, debit cards, credit cards. You choose the one you want. So if I want a checking account, I'm going to click there and I'll be taken to this another page. So down here you can see there are different types of checking, everything checking, preferred checking, there are details written for different types of account. And then you will choose the one that you want and you will choose the option bottom here to open now. So I'm going to click on Clear Access Banking. So I'm going to click on this Open Now button. Now I'll be taken to this another web page. So to open up a bank account, you will do that three simple steps. So you will tell them, you fill up a few details about yourself, you will customize your account, and then you will make an opening deposit, and your account will be opened. So to get started, you will need a social security number or a taxpayer identification number, a valid ID, a driver's license ID or a state ID, and then at least $25 of opening deposit online that is ready to transfer from another account. So you have to select if you're an individual or a joint customer, and then if you are a previous Wells Fargo online banking customer, you will say yes, and it will give you a pre-filled application, but if no, you will click on no. And by selecting continue, you will agree to the terms and conditions here. You can read it and then continue. So once you do that, you'll be brought on to another page where you fill in your information, like personal information of first name, middle name, last name, social security number, or if you don't have that, you will enter your taxpayer identification number. Then you'll either use your driver's license or state identification or any other valid ID. You'll enter your driver's license number here and the state where it was issued. You'll also enter the expiration date of your ID, and if you have an alternate form, you will use an alternate form of identification. So once you do that, you will enter your date of birth or and your citizenship if you are a resident alien or non-resident. Then you will enter your email ID for contact. Then you enter your phone number and you select the type of phone, if it's a home phone, work, or mobile. You can also add an alternate phone number here. Then you enter your address, full address. Then if you have a different mailing address, you'll click on this option and you'll click on this different mailing address. So occupation, you'll enter the kind of occupation you have, and you will click on this box. You'll check this box for your consent to continue. And after you do this, you will have a few more forms to fill, and after that you will make your funding. You'll deposit $25. You'll review the total details of your account and you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you'll be able to open up a new bank account and you're good to go from there. So it's very easy. This option, it's the same like going to a bank to open up an account by filling the forms. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and don't forget to leave a like if you like this. Thanks for watching.